So here's our problem. Lots of rotted wood, pieces missing, lots of fun. So let's take a peek inside. And I saw that that joist there was had some rot. It was starting to soften up towards the bottom third of it maybe, and maybe the last couple of inches, 2 or 3 inches is all. So I used some wood hardener on that, and it soaked it up really nice. That says on the back of that can there, it's designed to seal it as well. And I put several coats on. I would let it dry for a few minutes and then put another coat on. Here's a little spacer piece that I screwed and glued on. And there's some of the backing that I used. That's 3/8 ply. Up next, I think our soffit's going to be on the up. That was the first piece to go in. First real piece anyways. There's the second real piece. A good 45 degree on the end of there. And there's our final piece. And this is primed with the gutter back on. And we also caulked that soffit there around the edges. Right there. And that's how I held the gutter up throughout the process.